Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. I'm Latoya. Thanks so much for stopping by my YouTube channel to hang out with me. In today's video, we're going to be making these super cute Easter treat bags. I'm going to be working over in Canva, and I'm also going to be using my blank chip bag template for this design. You can find the template over in my Etsy shop and on my website. You can find me at hangingwiththekiddos.com and Hanging with the Kiddos on Etsy if you're interested. Make sure to watch the video to the end because I'm going to be sharing with you all an online tool where you can make realistic markups for your designs. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're going to be working on canva.com to make this design. I have already uploaded all of my clip arts, as you can see over here to the side. I also uploaded my custom nutrition facts label. I showed you in the previous video how to make your own custom nutrition facts label. You can check that video out in the description box down below. But I made it an Easter theme. And from here, I'm going to start designing. Alright guys, so once your design is finished, you can save it as a PNG, a JPEG, or a PDF, any file that you need. Just make sure if you save it as an image, you want to print it as a full-size sheet of paper. That's an 8 by 5 by 11. You need it to be full size. Now, if you're interested in the template that I used in this video, it's my blank chip bag template, and you can find it over in my Etsy shop. And on my website, you can find me at Hanging with the Kiddos on Etsy and hangingwiththekiddos.com on my website. Now, for those of you who are making your own trick bags for clients and you want to be able to share with them a markup of how the design is going to look, I have another great website to share with you all where you can go online and make realistic looking markups. And it's called smartmarkups.com. So it's called Smart Markups. And you will go to their website. If I'm not mistaken, they do give you a free trial, and they have chip bags. And what you will do, you will actually upload your design on here, and you will be able to fit the design to fit the chip bag. But to make it better, Smart Markups have actually linked with Canva where you can save your design directly from Canva. Let me show you how to do that. So once you create a account on smartmarkups.com, on Canva, you can actually link your account to Smart Markups. So when you can go to Publish, select Show More, and you will see Smart Markups. Click here and click Save. Okay, so once your design is saved, you want to go back to Smart Markups, and you want to click Upload From. Select Canva. And as you can see, your design appears right here. Now what you want to do is show you a preview of how it looks. You want to just make sure everything is centered because it's going to show the front of the bag. Okay, everything looks pretty good. That's your markup. You can select Customize, and you want to select the glossy finish. There you have it, and you're going to select Download. I normally just save it as a high and save it, and your markup is going to save to your computer. Alright, now your markup is saved to your computer, and you can send your client a markup of how the design is going to look, and you can also use this for your Etsy shop. Alright guys, so if you have any questions, please drop me a comment down below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more videos. So, thanks so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.